Hello guys, and welcome to another ProfileTree video. So in today's video we're going to be going through Squarespace marketing. I'm going to be showing you guys the different tips and tricks or the different sort of marketing tactics that you can use for your website in order to gain or boost ranking for your website. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. So first things first, what exactly is marketing? Now, marketing is a process of identifying, anticipating and satisfying customer needs, and of course wants through creation, promotion and distribution of products and services. Now, of course, as well as marketing, the main goal really is to just build a connection between you as the seller or supplier and them as the customer or the buyer. Now, you want to make sure that a product is 100%. So the way to do that as well is there's another method of marketing which involves different tactics like market research, development, advertising, branding and so on. But the sort of marketing that we as a business would be looking for is more into promoting an item. So say we have a physical item and we're trying to promote that. What ways and what methods can we use in order to go ahead and try to push that brand name? So that brand name or that brand product, how can we go ahead and push that name? If we take a bigger name company for an example, like Adidas, of course they do their footwear or they do their lifestyle branding as well. They've got a couple of different clothes. You can tell that they have quite a bit of marketing in their side. They've used, of course, some methods and tactics in order to push the brand name. Now, of course, they would have attempted multiple different sort of methods like social media marketing. Of course, they've got their own social media. They've got Twitter, they've got Facebook, Instagram, you name it, pretty much they have that sort of platform. Now, as well as that, they do like email marketing, so they can provide newsletters, especially if you're subscribed to Adidas themselves. They can update you on some of the promotions. So that's a great way of upselling. That's marketing. You can also refer friends. You get £10 off, something like that. That's marketing. Of course, they have that would be referral marketing. And of course, they've got their content marketing, influencer marketing. They've got blogs as well to push the brand name. That would more be to do with SEO. So there's plenty of ways in order to boost your ranking and traffic as a business, like how Adidas would be doing it. So enough talk about the actual marketing itself. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys some of the tips and tricks or even some methods that you can use for your business. So of course our first one and also probably the most obvious one is social media marketing. Now, as I've stated with Adidas there, of course they've got different branding. They've got Facebook, they've got Instagram, they've got Twitter, any other sort of social media that you can think of in order to push the brand's products or the brand name. Now, the more people that you're able to take into account to follow you, of course they'll be looking and are curious enough to check out your website or even the product that you're selling. Now, say you are a bakery shop, you've just started off, of course you have no influence yet. Well, you can go ahead and set up social media, link that to your website and go ahead and push that basically for people to view your website and to view the things that you may sell. Social media would be a great platform to do that. That's another way to push people to your website. So yes, pretty much that would be a way to promote your business and to push your products to be on social media. So the next method would more be to do with email marketing. Now, if you build an email list and of course use email marketing, you could stay in touch with your customers, promote new products, and of course offer discounts and special offers. So that would be a really good way to do it. Now, of course, this could only occur if people subscribe to your newsletter, or if they've added some details like their email onto a specific part of the website, like the contact forms and stuff, then you'll be able to gather that, of course, and you would create an email list so you can push the email that you want for promotions or for any new products, as I've stated, or even some special offers. So just to show you guys, so this is the actual Squarespace website. They have email campaigns that you can go ahead and click to. So this is pretty much what I mean by email marketing. Go ahead and click on that, see where it takes us. As you can see, you can create a email mailing list as long as you add sender details, and of course you can also select an email template. So we'll go ahead and explore this a little bit more. So as you can see, it even shows you that you can drive your sales as well. There's a couple of templates that they offer, which is great. So you may want to go ahead and take a look at some of the templates that they may have. So that's just a couple of the examples. There's one there for Cosmo Bakery. So as I said, if we had a bakery, you could go ahead and do a promotion like that, where you get free shipping on any orders over $75. So that's something there. It could be ones for joining the club. You can go ahead and do memberships as well. So there's a couple of different templates there. You can announce a sale, promote classes or events, share an update, send a follow-up, share your content, write a note, ask for support, say thanks. There's quite a few options there for you. So if you're a business, there's a cool one there where it's switching from different pictures. Of course, where they're, so say that the business there is called Frolic and they're trying to showcase the shoes, t-shirts, anything like that, bottoms, and of course you can go ahead and shop now. They've got a sale on, and this one is promoting the fact that all linens are now 25% off. So quite a few different ways for you to actually do some marketing. So that part is the email marketing. So if you were to create one, let's just say if we did a sale and I'll click on one of them, I can go ahead and use that template. So it takes a little bit just to load up, and as you can see, I can provide an email background, just change the color up a little bit. I can edit and replace this block. So as you can see, I can replace that, upload my own file to it. I can add little sections as well, like buttons, images, and bits and pieces like that. A discount as well. And once I'm happy enough, I can go ahead and just click back and save. And of course, this is where I would create a mailing list. So this would be the people that that have subscribed to your mailing list, of course. That's what you would need to do. Then, of course, you would add the sender details. And then, of course, you've got your verification options as well. So there you go. It's easy as that with the marketing side of things for Squarespace. So that is the email marketing. So next one here is called influencer marketing. So fairly similar to social media. You would actually use social media to gain some influence as well. Now, if you do some collaborative work, just say with someone local as well, you can have that influence. And of course, if say that particular person spreads good word about your business, then of course the followers of that individual would want to go to that particular place. So say I was a food place and an influencer came in, of course we did a collaboration, and of course this would only be towards physical businesses as well, and also great for the online businesses also, depending if you're like selling physical products or promoting digital products, either or. Influencer marketing is, as I said, would be a great option as well. It's free, or depending how you would want to do it with your collaborative, then if you come upon an agreement, then of course that's what you would have for commission. But yeah, that's another one there. It's called influencer marketing. Next one there is content marketing. Now, of course, you would want to create high quality content that's relevant to your audience and, of course, promotes your products. So this would be something more to do with blog posts. It could be videos, infographics. Now, if you had a YouTube link to it, and if you're doing promotionals for your actual new stock, you could show that for that. So that would be content marketing. Of course, that's a great way to push your brand's name as well as the products that you're selling. And of course, with the blog posts, not only is that good for the business, but you're actually introducing more people who are searching like particular keywords. Of course, people are always searching things up in the Google search engines. The more blog posts you have that's relevant to the actual things or items that you're actually promoting, and if it's similar to that blog post, then it'll pick up that keyword and maybe put you on the search results. So that's another great way to do some marketing, which is content marketing. Now, another one is if, of course, you have a little bit of money to spare, which would be pay per click advertisement. So you could use paid advertisement to pretty much drive traffic to your store. Of course, it could be Google ads, YouTube ads, Instagram ads, and you could even use TikTok as well, depending. I'm not too sure if they would be selling an ad or a paid for ad. I would assume so. So you can gain attention of the younger audience. Of course, that's a newer social media platform, so that would be great for it. But yes, you could even go to the extreme of even paying for billboard ads as well. So that's another one as well, but that would more be towards if you're a bigger business. I wouldn't really suggest that if you're a smaller business, but of course you can do it as well if you want. So that's pretty much within the physical side of things, and you could use that as well to promote your Squarespace website. So that's another way to do it. But yes, pay per click, that would be one of the options for marketing. Of course, it can be an optional one. You wouldn't need to, or you don't need to necessarily go for it, but that's a way, of course, to promote your website or your business, which is pay per click. So our next one, which is fairly similar actually to the content marketing, which is referral marketing. Now, referral marketing, that is pretty much where you would offer discounts or incentives to customers who refer their friends to your store. Of course, that'll increase your customer base and build loyalty with your existing customers. Now, that actually more links towards the email marketing, especially if you are within the email marketing, you're able to push to write down if you have get £10 off or get a £10 voucher if you refer a friend. So that's more to do with the email marketing side of things, but it's also referral marketing. But yes, as I said, referral marketing would be another great tactic for boosting and promoting your business. Now, one of the last methods of marketing would be to use the meta tags. Now, of course, this is again linked towards SEO, and I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate how to do it. So you'll get this page within the page settings of Squarespace. Now, easy enough to go through. Just go to the main navigation, as you can see here on the left. You want to click on the little cogwheel there, or the settings. Select the SEO. Now, of course, you can do it within the general area here with the URL slug. Then if we go on to the SEO, as you can see, there's a part there for search results preview. Now, this is how it looks. Of course, contact, profile treats, and if I go down, I can go ahead and add that SEO title and of course add the description. So that's where I would go ahead and push that, so it would have a better keyword search. So if people are typing in some keywords, they'll be able to search for a specific page within profile treats, or hopefully it will come up as well. Another method as well would be for the social image. Now, you would want to maybe do or add an alt text. Make sure that it's not just a bunch of random words and letters. Make sure that it's actually relating to that image that you're posting up. So it could be a name.png or a name.jpg, so something like that, or ProfileTreats.jpg, ProfileTreats.png, if you get my gist for that one. But yes, guys, that pretty much reaches the end of the video. That's majority of the marketing side anyway, so of course there may be other tactics as well for marketing on Squarespace, but try to give the ones that we've discussed today a go and see how it works for your business. Of course, if there are any questions, or if you're stuck on anything, please do let us know in the comment section below. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much.